Hey guys, my name is Josue. I'm a software engineer based in Fort Worth, Texas, and today we're going to go over another Edabit challenge. The goal of this of this video, is to actually go over an Edabit challenge and learn a little bit of tips on how to get through them. So today we're going over puzzle pieces, and the foundation of this concept is to work with arrays, higher order functions, and validation. The request here is that we're going to write a function that takes two arrays, add the first element to the first element of the second array, the second element to the second element of the array, and essentially we're going to return true if all the elements combinations add up to the same number. Otherwise, we're going to return false. So in the interest of time, we're going to go right into the solution and break it out into a few pieces. So the first part is if the array length is not equal, if the first array length is not equal to the second array length, then automatically it's false. So if you'll notice, the first thing we're doing here is if it's false, if the length is not equal to the other length, false. First thing done. Next part is we use the map method, array method, to do a quick not even a comparison, but basically adding the elements together. So if you notice in map, we can have not only our element, but we can bring in the index. And so what I'm doing here is I'm saying the first element plus the index of the first element in the array number 2, adding those all together and creating a new array called sum, which will now show each individual element added to the element of the other array. And then finally, we'll use a method called every, which essentially will look at the result of our sum using map and checking each element there and saying, does that element equal the sum element or the first element in the new array we created? And if so, return true. If not, return false. And so after doing these steps, we'll do a quick test to see if it worked. And there we go. All good. So guys, thank you for tuning in. Hopefully this was helpful. If you have any questions or feedback, please feel free to leave a comment. Also feel free to like it and to subscribe. So have a great day.